Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Many people have repeatedly asked me, why do you always speak about Jesus Christ during your open air lectures? In fact, this is one of the many questions I am asked over and over again. I sincerely appreciate everyone who has asked this question, especially those who are genuinely seeking the truth. Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is too great a prophet to be ignored, misunderstood, or misrepresented. By the grace of Allah, we are launching a powerful series that will unveil the definitive truth about Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. This will not be a one-time lecture, but a comprehensive series. In fact, it's going to be a carefully documented journey that will unfold in many episodes. Jesus Christ is one of the greatest messengers of Allah, a mighty prophet sent to the children of Israel. Yet, much about his true mission and identity remains misunderstood. As a servant committed to conveying the message, I consider it both my duty and my responsibility to present with evidence and clarity the authentic perspective on Jesus Christ, one of Allah's greatest messengers. Our goal is not to provoke anyone, but to present the truth with knowledge, evidence, wisdom, and respect. If you genuinely love Jesus Christ and sincerely desire to know the truth about him, then stay with us and don't miss this enlightening journey. Stay tuned, stay curious, and stay connected. I am Yusuf Adepoju, Chief Lecturer, Acadip, Nigeria.